Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for another bullet journal setup video for the month of March 2018. As you can see, I lost a tiny bit of footage of me drawing out this wreath for the monthly title page. It's a nice and simple design though, so you honestly didn't miss much at all. In my last video, I asked what theme I should go for this month, and I had some really great ideas, but overall I decided to go for a botanical floral theme. I did one similar last year and I really liked it, but it was also because May is popular for florals and I kind of wanted to allocate that month to mermaid instead, which is all things oceans and mermaids. For anyone who has watched my previous bullet journaling videos, you'll see that I like to keep things fairly simple with clean layouts, but you can choose to do anything that makes you happy. I tried something different for my monthly overview, keeping all the dates in the vertical column in the center and then leaving space for adding appointments and reminders on either side. Next up is my sleep tracker. I didn't have one of these for last month, but I really think that it would have helped. Lately, I've been a bit all over the place with my sleep, and I think that this tracker will help me narrow down a more consistent routine. There's an AM and PM labels to divide up the 24-hour range, so I'll be able to log any naps that I might be able to sneak in during the day as well. I think that this is a good idea if you suffer from migraines too. I get them a lot, and I found that if my sleep is disjointed or lacking, then they tend to occur more often. Onto the habit tracker now. I moved away from the horizontal layout and I did a vertical one instead. If you want to check out last month's bullet journal setup video, I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner for you. That way you'll be able to see what I was using last month, and this time I've written the things that I want to track at the top of the page, and there's still heaps of space if I decide to add anything else later on. On the next page, I like to plot out a general overview of the goals and reminders for the month. You'll see that there's a header called To Do, and in that one I like to include the things that need to be done but don't have a particular day or time. This way I can write them in there and then I can go ahead and allocate it to a specific day afterwards. Alright, so how did everyone go for reaching their goals for February? I'm happy to report that I reached one of them. I managed to read 2 books that I had been meaning to get around to. I've also kept that as a goal for March too, so hopefully I can keep up a good reading habit. If you like, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below what goals that you have for March as well. I find it so much less daunting to approach goals on a monthly basis, so I'd love to know what yours are. I carried the botanical theme through the pages with some random flower drawings here and there, nothing too overpowering because again I like that cleaner look. Now I'm going to set up my monthly calendar for March, and again it's super simple and minimal, and if you're stuck for how to do yours, you really can't go wrong with this one. There's enough space in each box to do some pre-planning, and it was really quick to draw out. I also added in some illustrations, and I'm really happy with how simple it is. Now we're on to the first week of March, which is a half week. Again, if you've seen my previous videos, I like to do this spread for half weeks where the days are contained on the left and then I have a nice decorative page on the right. I have done this video a little differently for this month. Normally you'll see me draw up every weekly spread before finishing off with a gratitude log, but this time I'm going to experiment and purposely only draw up one weekly spread and see if I'd like to leave some blank spaces afterwards for note-taking, ideas and rough sketching. Sometimes I just need a space to work things out visually. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet, but I'd rather leave myself the room to use it instead of wanting it and not having the space for it. So I guess we'll see what happens. Here I'm making a decorative page with an inspirational quote surrounded with some floral illustrations to tie it all together. For anyone who wants to know how I'm currently using my bullet journal along with my Chic Sparrow Traveler's Notebook, I will leave a link in the top right hand corner so you can check out my current planner setup. So far, it's a system that's really working for me, and I love the freedom and flexibility of being able to change it up whenever I want. So this way I'm never really locked in and I can shape it until I find something that works. If you've enjoyed this setup and would like to recreate the pages for your own bullet journal, be sure to tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle down below in the description box, so be sure to check out my profile there. But in the meantime, I'd love to know what theme that you've chosen for March and any exciting plans that you have too. Drop me a comment down below, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel where you can also watch some of my creative journaling videos. Alright guys, thank you for taking the time to watch. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye.